is a Zimbabwean woman who chased at public hospital. That woman was pregnant. Now she passed away. She is dead with her child on the womb. Guys, sometimes it's not good. It's better you say we have to pay. You understand? Foreigners, we have to pay in public hospital because we can't afford private hospital. You understand? We know that we have to pay 800 rands per bed. It's better to pay than to chase away a person who is pregnant. Last time there is a Zimbabwean woman who put a child in toilet, you understand, who give birth and guys and put a child in toilet, you understand, just because they don't want responsibility, just because they have been chased at hospital, you understand. So kids, guys, they don't have anything to do with those things, especially an unborn child, understand. So some other foreigners, that's why you saw some other foreigners, they can put a child in toilet or what, because guys, sometimes things are hard, you understand. So sometimes it's better to make them pay. You can say you have to pay because we can't afford private hospital, because we don't have money for private hospitals. People who afford private hospitals are Indians. Those people, yes, they afford, because didn't see Indians in public hospital, you understand. So sometimes we have to, you can say we can pay for medicine, you understand, because some of the South Africans are complaining about medicine, you understand. So sometimes it's better you say you have to pay for medicine or for bed, you understand, than to say she have to go to Zimbabwe. You saw that person, she wants to give birth with a child, but you are chasing her away, that she have to get birth in Zimbabwe, go to Zimbabwe. You can saw that person, she wants to give birth. Guys, a person lose her life now, you understand, she loses her life, she end up losing her life, you understand. So sometimes you have to understand, sometimes you have to pay. It's better to pay. You can say you have to pay. You are not going anywhere without paying the bills, you understand. It's better, because it's most of the South African are complaining that foreigners, what, you understand, just because we are men. Yes, foreigners now, we are too much. You know that last time in South Africa in 99, aslams are easy to have in aslam, because most of the people who got aslams now are Somalians, Indians. They can get IDs for South Africans, you understand, a South African IDs. But Zimbabweans, we don't, our kids, they don't get those birth certificates. We get birth in here in South Africa. My child is here. Maybe your child is here in South Africa, you get birth in South Africa, but they don't want to give those kids birth certificate. But Indians or Somalians or white people, they get birth certificate, you understand. It's not fair sometimes. So sometimes we have to be careful, because guys, it's not easy in Zimbabwe, you understand. Even if you can deport a person today, she can come back again, you understand, just because of hunger, you understand. So sometimes you have to understand, because people, they say go to your country, you have to fix your economy. How do we fix our economy? You know that our leaders in South Africa, you are better, because you have your rights, you can march, you can say what you want to say, and Ramaphosa can change things, you understand. So our leaders, sometimes you know that our leaders, they were not fair at all. Oh, it's not about the Zimbabwe doesn't not have money. Guys, Zimbabwe is very a rich country. You understand? Zimbabwe is a rich country, but our leaders, they want to feed their own, because now people were chasing that woman who have pregnant, that got back to Zimbabwe, you understand. You know that Mugabe, when she was sick, you understand, she was treating at Singapore, because in Zimbabwe there is no medicines, you understand. People are losing lives in Zimbabwe because there is no medicine. You have to understand, we are trying, guys. We have been tried to fix, we have to try to vote. We don't want that Mnangagwa, but you want to stay at that chair. What do you want to do? What do you want to go, guys? Because we have to run away, because the situation in Zimbabwe is not right. You have to understand us, and you have to understand us, because most of the South Africans, you are fighting with us just because we are coming in South Africa begging for jobs. You don't give you employment. That's why you are complaining that we people of Zimbabwe are not paying tax, or in Malawi are not paying tax. You understand it? Just because those people, they don't have enough papers, or most of the foreigners are not banking money. You have to give us an account to put money on the bank. You understand? Because nowadays there is no permits for Zimbabwean or Malawans or asylum. You understand it?